Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make salmon on a skillet. First, select high-quality salmon fillets, ideally about 1 inch thick. Pat them completely dry with paper towels. This step is crucial for crispy skin. Next, season both sides generously with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and any herbs you prefer like dill or parsley. This simple preparation ensures maximum flavor and texture. Now let's get cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of a high smoke point oil, such as avocado or grapeseed oil, in a heavy-bottomed skillet over medium-high heat until shimmering. Carefully place the salmon fillets, skin side down, into the hot pan. Let them cook undisturbed for about 4 to 5 minutes. You'll see the skin crisping up and the color of the fish changing, becoming opaque about halfway through. Once the skin is beautifully crispy, it's time to flip the salmon. Cook on the flesh side for another 3 to 4 minutes, depending on thickness, for a medium-rare finish. For an extra touch, add a tablespoon of butter to the pan along with some aromatics like minced garlic or lemon slices. Spoon the melted butter and pan juices over the fish repeatedly to infuse it with rich flavor and keep it moist. Your perfectly cooked skillet salmon is ready. Remove it from the pan when it reaches an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Let it rest for about 5 minutes before serving. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring a tender and flavorful bite. Serve with your favorite side dishes and enjoy your delicious meal. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.